Hi! You know what? Not every F word is a bad word. Let me show you some of my favorite F words that show off this amazing Millcreek home. Come on inside. My first F word, flow. You will love the open layout of this home. My second F word of the day, flooring. It adds warmth and a modern touch. Check out these appliances. They are flawless, new and fresh. Come in here, check this out. Next word, fancy. Your future ready technology throughout. We're gonna double up on this one. First, floor laundry and a friendly steamer for your clothes. Fully finished basement. You'll love it. It's currently being used as an office space, but it could be a fifth bedroom if you desire. My favorite F word for this house, Friday night ready. Your own home theater ready to go for you. And check this out. Alexa, turn all the lights red. My last F word of the day, fabulous. Check out this patio for entertaining your friends and family. Just kidding, one more. Phenomenal, except with an F. If you like flow, functionality, and fresh finishes, give me a call. This might be the house for you.